Hi everyone, today my topic is microwave oven. In 1945, Reason filed a patent for Spencer's microwave cooking process, and an oven that heated food using microwave energy was placed in a Boston restaurant for testing. Finally, in 1947, the company built the first microwave oven. Currently, microwave oven is one of the most common kitchen appliances that come in many different sizes and styles, employing microwave radiation primarily to cook and heat food. The structure of a microwave oven having the main frame defined by top, rear, and bottom surfaces. These bottoms allow the user to choose between several power levels, including one or more defrosting levels. A partition wall is disposed in the frame chamber and reframe chamber and a control compartment. The cooking chamber itself is a Faraday cage enclosure which prevents the microwaves from escaping into the environment, so that protects people's health. The door is glasses. The door is usually a glass panel for easy viewing, but has a layer of a conductive mesh to maintain the shielding. Moreover, in microwave ovens, the waveguide leads to a radio frequency transparent port into the cooking chamber. It is important that there is food in the oven when it is operated, so that these waves are absorbed, rather than reflecting into the waveguide, where the intensity of standing waves can cause arcing. The arcing, if allowed to occur for long periods, will destroy the magnetron. If a very small object is being microwaved, it is recommended that a glass of water be added as an energy sink, although care must be taken not to superheat the water. Microwave oven works by passing non-ionizing microwave radiation, usually at a frequency of 2.45 GHz, through the food. Water, fat, and other substances in food absorb the energy from the microwaves to cook or heat food. That is my presentation. Thank you for watching. Bye. 好了。In microwave ovens. The waveguide leads to a radio frequency transparent port into the cooking chamber. It is important that there is food in the oven when it is operated so that these waves are absorbed, rather than reflecting into the waveguide where the intensity of standing waves can cause arcing. The arcing, if allowed to occur for long periods, will destroy the magnetron. If a very small object is being microwaved, it is recommended that a glass of water be added as an energy sink, although care must be taken not to superheat the water.